Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. By default, Google Chrome opens PDF files directly in the browser using its built-in PDF viewer. But if you prefer to open PDFs in Adobe Reader or any other PDF app automatically, then this video is for you. In this video, I will show you how to disable the PDF viewer in Google Chrome on Windows 11 or Windows 10 so that PDFs are downloaded instead of opening in the browser. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First open Chrome browser. After that, click on this one triple dot menu in the top right corner. After that, scroll down and click on this one settings. Then click on privacy and security in the left sidebar. On the right, scroll down to the bottom and click on site settings. Again, scroll down to the bottom and click on this one option, additional content settings. Then scroll down and you will find PDF documents. Click on this one. Now under default behavior, you need to check this one option that says download PDFs. That's it. From now onwards, when you will click any PDF link in any browser, it will download in your Windows 11 or Windows 10 PC. That's all about this video. Bye.